Hi guys and welcome back to Ask Angelo, where we answer all of your construction needs. Ever wonder what are the digits or figures on the side of a box of a light bulb? Knowing them is very important for you to choose the best light bulb for your lighting needs. Welcome to part 1 of Bulb Basics. Let's go! Today we'll be talking about 4 light bulb terminologies: voltage, watts, lumens, and color temperature. Voltage. In simple terms, voltage is the pressure from an electrical circuit that pushes charged electrons through a conducting loop that powers the illumination of the light. It is measured in volts. Think of voltage as a river of water being pushed through as electricity. In the Philippines, the supply voltage is 220 volts. Watts. Watt is an electrical unit for the rate at which energy is consumed. If voltage is water, watts would be the water mill that scoops water out of the river. The higher the flow of the water, the faster the water mill turns. Lumens. Lumens refer to the intensity of the light generated by the watts that enters the light bulb. In our analogy, the flowing river turns the water mill that scoops water out of the river, then releases it in a shower. The strength of the shower is your lumens. Color temperature. Light bulbs can be a sign of colors, of which there are 3. Warm light, a relaxing spectrum that helps set the mind to prepare to sleep. Cool white and daylight are similar in the sense that they are both ranged in the blue spectrum of light, which helps one become more awake and productive. In our river analogy, color temperature would be the temperature of the water in the shower. One is nice and warm relaxing shower, the other two are either lukewarm or cold shower that help you wake up and ready to face the day. That's all for today. Join us next week as we apply all of those knowledge to best light up a room or a home. How can we help you become a champion builder? Visit us on Facebook or email me at mcomdepoaskangelo and don't forget to join us next week. See ya!